stop. If you're thinking about buying ToonBook AI because you want to create animated books, story videos, or kids' content automatically, you need to watch this first. Because this tool claims you can create professional animated storybooks in minutes using AI without writing, designing, or animating anything yourself. But the real question is ToonBook AI actually powerful or just another overhyped AI SaaS tool? Let's break it down honestly. In this honest ToonBook AI review, I'll show you what it actually does, who it's really for, the real benefits, the refund policy, and how you can unlock a $997 reseller license bonus for free. Let's dive in. What is ToonBook AI? ToonBook AI is a cloud-based AI software that lets you create animated storybooks, children's content, illustrated books, and cartoon-style storytelling videos in just minutes. Instead of hiring designers, learning animation software, writing scripts manually, and paying expensive freelancers, you simply enter a prompt, and ToonBook AI generates story content, illustrated scenes, characters, animated sequences, and voice-ready content. All inside one dashboard. No technical skills required. This is built as a SaaS platform, meaning it runs 100% online. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why this tool is attracting attention. AI story creation. Turn simple ideas into complete illustrated storybooks instantly. Kids content market. Children's books and animation are huge evergreen markets. YouTube and Shorts potential. Animated stories are highly engaging and monetizable. Sell on platforms. You can potentially publish or sell your storybooks on various platforms. No experience needed. It's designed for beginners. Time efficiency. What normally takes weeks can now take minutes. The psychological appeal here is simple. Creative freedom without technical overwhelm. Inside ToonBook AI, what you get. Inside ToonBook AI, you'll find AI-powered story generator, cartoon-style character builder, scene creation tools, ready-to-use templates, cloud storage, one-click export options, and commercial usage rights. And one big thing that stands out, there's a 30-day full money-back guarantee. That means you can test it risk-free. If it's not for you, you're protected. That removes most of the buying fear. Honest pros and amp cons. Let's keep it real. Pros: beginner-friendly, no design skills required, cloud-based SaaS fast creation process, growing AI animation niche, and 30-day guarantee. Cons: best results require good prompts, not Pixar-level animation, and requires creativity to maximize potential. But for the price point and automation level, it's impressive. Who is this for? ToonBook AI is ideal for YouTube creators, kids content creators, digital product sellers, educators, AI entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to tap into the animation niche. If that sounds like you, keep watching. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you grab ToonBook AI through my link below, the first 100 smart action takers will get access to ToonBook AI Unlimited Reseller License, value $997, yours, free. That means you can resell the software and potentially keep the profits depending on the terms provided. This is not a small bonus. This completely changes the value equation. Because now you're not just a user, you could become a reseller. But this bonus is limited. Once 100 spots are gone, it's gone. So, is ToonBook AI worth it? If you want an easy entry into animated storytelling, a SaaS tool that simplifies content creation, a growing AI niche opportunity, and a 30-day risk-free trial, then yes, it's worth considering. Especially with the $997 reseller bonus included. Click the link below. Check out ToonBook AI, lock in your bonus, and decide for yourself risk-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.